Alright guys, welcome back to today's episode. Guys, I have an interesting news to give you, and in this video I'm going to be teaching you how to post your short videos correctly and how to post your short videos so that it can give you the massive views and subscribers you're looking for. Guys, I know that everyone on YouTube who is a creator, a content creator on YouTube, is actually interested in getting subscribers and views. Now, if this is actually going to interest you, please sit tight, subscribe to this channel, make sure you share this video and come back for more. Now guys, if you have been part of these people saying that short is designed to destroy your channel, or posting short on your channel does not do your channel any good, my baby girl, wake up please. YouTube cannot bring a feature on YouTube to destroy the channel of the users. I don't think, and I don't even buy that idea. If you have been posting on YouTube for the past 3 years, 4 years, and you are not even seeing any results, that is because you're not making use of the right way to post your short on your channel. Calm down. Yes, I know that you're very you want to hear what I have to say. Yes. Now, first of all, I have tried this and it worked for me. That is why I want to tell you about it. I'm not even going to give you an information I have not tried and it didn't work for me. Why will I bring it here? If you want to post your short videos, please start posting up to 2 to 3 short videos on your platform every day. Sorry, on your channel every day. Try your best to post 2 to 3 times on your channel every day. Do you know why I said this? You will post 2 to 3 times every day if you have not started getting more views or more subscribers to your channel. That is the reason why you will post 2 to 3 times, so that you can attract people to view your content. And by so doing, YouTube can be able to figure out when your subscribers or your viewers are normally online, so that they can be able to push out your content to those people at the right time. Now, for the ones who already have subscribers and more viewers, come here, let me talk to you. Go to your YouTube analytics. Make sure you go to your audience. Move to the audience, like where you are seeing audience written at the top of your YouTube studio. Go to your audience. You will see where YouTube is going to bring out when your audience is normally online. That is, they are going to tell you when the time that your viewers are normally online. And if they tell you when your viewers are normally online, you can screenshot it or use your pen and paper and write it out. Then any video you're going to be posting on your shorts or your long form videos, you're going to be targeting that time. Target that time. If you target that time, make sure you post that time and be able to monitor how that video is performing. Please don't just post and you just go. Please, if you post it for the first 20-30 minutes, keep on monitoring the video and see how it's performing. Guys, I have tried this and it worked for me. I posted a video on my YouTube short like this. I did this for the first 2 to 3 days after my views and subscribers increased rapidly after posting my short back to back. And after some time, I started monitoring my analytics closely, and YouTube was able to release that part of the feature to me to see when my viewers are online. Then whenever I post video according to the time I saw on my analytics, that is when my viewers are always online, I keep on monitoring my video closely, and I noticed that for the first 2 to 5 minutes I post videos, I get massive views than usual. Because before, if I post my video and for the first 30 minutes I don't even see anything, that is because I wasn't targeting the time. Now, if actually that you have not gotten to this stage that YouTube tells you the time that your viewers are online, what you will do is monitor your videos closely. You can post up to every hour in a day. You can post from 6 a.m., 7, 8, like create videos. Don't be lazy. If you want to grow on this channel, you are not going to be lazy. You cannot be lazy on YouTube. Create videos and post it from morning till every hour in that day, and monitor when viewers are viewing any video that does very well out of these videos. Then just know that that is the time your viewers are mostly online. Then keep on posting at this time. Is actually going to help you. And when you post with these times, baby girl, trust me, the subscribers you are looking for is just going to come like you never expected it. Okay, I actually have a testimony based on this, and I will strongly tell you with my full chest that posting shorts on your channel cannot destroy your channel. Now, the third way that you post your shorts and you can also use this one to grow your long form video. This one is a secret, and I'll be telling you this one in my next video. Make sure you watch my next video from beginning to end so that you can get the idea. I will tell you how you can use your short video to grow your long form video. I know that mostly the problem on YouTube is that most people find it difficult to get views on their long form videos. Even when you make a fantastic video, many people don't watch it. But I will tell you how you can use your short videos to grow your long form videos. If you actually love the value I've given you, please go and subscribe to my channel. Make sure you share this video. Make sure you come back for more, and I love you guys.